So now let's see how we can work around with the swirl effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I want to apply the swirl effect to it, you need to go around under the effects menu, then go around over here under the distort section, and here you can see that swirl is an option. So once you go around onto swirl, then you can see by default clockwise swirl is actually selected, and then you can choose counterclockwise swirl as well. So you can see that right now speed is actually chosen, but if you want more quality and a quality output, you can select quality right here. But for preview purposes, I'm going to choose speed itself. So over here you can change around the angle just by clicking and dragging the slider, as you can see, for the swirl, and you can go for clockwise or counterclockwise accordingly. You can change around the degree, the additional degree of swirl as well, so it can be more precise just like this as well. So whole rotation is like a 360-degree clockwise. So this is one rotation. But if you just want a slow rotation, you can just utilize the additional degrees right here, and you can control out the a degree amount right here, just like this. Then you can go for one that is 360-degree, and then you can add in additional degree just like this, as you can see. And this is what you have. So if I were to go around, you can see that this is the swirl that is there. So now I can actually go ahead and click. Just by clicking on this button, I can click and choose the swirl location as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the swirl effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.